I thought you said.
No.
Almost. I'm glad you checked my eyesight out.
Yeah.
No, honey. This is what it is. I like that. Do you see anything?
Perfect.
I can't help that. I think it's my glasses. I can still see you so good. Yeah. It is awkward.
Yes.
Can you get me for new glasses? Can you?
I will.
Honey.
Yeah, I will. I
You're
will.
supposed to make an appointment for me in January. I don't even have any glasses.
When I make an appointment, I will. Soon.
Why?
They're closed today.
I can't even hear myself speak. That's not fair. Why didn't you do it in January?
Tried, but they were
Oh, you
closed.
did.
I will.
Get me out for
I will. Well, I'll do it now in a minute.
Huh?
I'll do it in a minute.
You better. You even promised.
They're open today. They weren't open yesterday, so I'll do it
Call
today.
him.
I will.
No, you did not. It's not the station. Get on the phone. Get off the phone.